I just want to say, if the Calgary Fire Department, if our 1,400 men and women were lined up on that road, you told us it was coming, we had every apparatus ready to go, we could not have stopped that fire. It was unprecedented, it was unstoppable.
It was the hottest, biggest wind, darkest, scariest fire that I've ever been in. Worse probably than anything I could imagine.
My heart breaks every day for my friends who have lost their homes and all of their belongings.
My name is Tom Sampson. I'm the Deputy Chief of the Calgary Emergency Management Agency. I went up to Slave Lake, Lesser Slave River area initially to provide some medical support, but was subsequently tasked when I arrived to be the EOC manager for the entire event.
but the ball is in motion. And my God, hopefully without anyone kicking it sideways, everything will go as planned and we'll have our people back into our community by the weekend. I'm not supposed to say that, I'm sorry, but my God, I hope it happens. And
we want to get our residents home as safely and quickly as possible. And with the continued cooperation of residents and our partners, we'll get the job done.
But I'd like to extend a special thank you to the Lesser Slave Lake Regional Fire Department, all the wildfire fighters, and all the volunteers. Without them, we wouldn't be here today looking at a re-entry. And just from our community to the bigger community, thank you very much, and hopefully we can offer some support in the coming days, and we'll be here. Thank you.
And I would also like to add my thanks to the people behind us. Our firefighting crew, 28, 30 strong, 40 strong, they saved 70% of this town. They saved 70% of this town. They saved numerous homes in the MD, Canyon Creek, Wagner, Widewater, right through Poplar Lane. Without their help, without the help of the firefighters that came to give us a hand, who knows what we have lost. We are just so thankful that today we're here saying, come on home.
As horrible as this event was, we now share a common bond because of it.
That's what a disaster does to you. It overwhelms you. It makes you feel like you can't go on. It makes you feel like you can't win. But if you look at the town already, it's recovering. If you look at the MD, they're making great leaps forward. At the time, people there made great decisions. And those great decisions got people back in the community probably a month earlier than I thought they would. And it's got the community back on its feet faster than I thought they would. And if they can just keep that momentum going, you'll recover as a community and you'll be strong, and this will be a piece of history that you hopefully you write down one day and say, you remember when we did that? And you'll look forward and say, it won't happen that way again. We'll be stronger for it. We'll be better for it. We're a great community.